Mheshimiwa Steven KALONZO Musyoka urarire Amaonchoreria ase Ekiama ekio ase anyare koba agakomochora hoyo kabeire omowaziri omokoro Jamlek Irungu Kamau nere omunyakirogo bwa Ekiama ekio amo nomojumbe bwense mo bunge ya Nyali Mheshimiwa Mohamed Ali nere omokonyi bw'omorai bwa Ekiama ekio ase bono omowakili Ndegwa Njiru nere orache koba omonogeri bwa Ekiama ekio ase KALONZO atebire nigo babwente gochaka emeremo RIOKA morikitoli netinyambane namange.
I'm announcing 3 appointments to the leadership of the Wiper Patriotic Front, effective immediately. Number 1, the Honorable Jamlek Irungu Kamau, EGH, becomes chairman of the party. Secondly, the Honorable Mohamed Ali, CBS, HAC stands for Head of State Commendation, Member of Parliament for Nyali, becomes our deputy party leader designate. Thirdly, Mr. Ndegwa Njiru becomes the party's first spokesperson, a new office created for a new season of struggle.
Gokora kurwa ase amagacho amanene yekiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front mugaso bwerit koria rero KALONZO NIGO atebire Amaonchoreria yo NIGO arengete gutinya obokoreri bwe Ekiama ekio anene chingakie chiga bakwiyarigani goswa ase obochori obonene ase amochire kiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe a EBC ase okorwa chitarifa chitabwenereti gochia ase abakenya.
The chairperson of the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission, Bwana Erastus Ndung Ethekon, has told Kenyans that the Commission cannot hold elections in the current environment. I ask Ethekon plainly, what does the law actually say? The Constitution fixes the date of the 2027 general election. The Elections Act under Section 55B gives the Commission narrow specific power to defer voting, not the whole election, but particular polling stations, particular wards or constituencies, not only where there is a real and immediate threat of a breach of peace, a natural disaster, a malpractice so severe that voting cannot proceed fairly.
Chingakie checho KALONZO niga mochire serikali ya UDA yaberege kurwa ama kigochia asaba Kenya nario barache kuyeirania ase kirogo aseboigo achikire kiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe a EBC kuimukia egetambukiro gochia ase ABARAI bari bakurwa amaki maisomarore.
We have also watched by election after by election the return of a practice that should shame any government claiming to serve its people. Kenyans lined up like school children, women in one queue, men in another, the youth in a third, to receive handouts from this regime's agents. And by the way, it was Mr. William Ruto who started this practice of very demeaningly asking people to line up, to be given long queues. I saw one a week ago near my village, a place called Trimua, where his agents were there asking people to line up. They line up, they're given 100 shillings, or 200 shillings, as the case may be. Can you imagine what that does to the psyche of the Kenyan father, mother? So, Ms. Ethekon, I would support you if you are to come up with a regulation banning, as we prepare to go for the next election, leaders who will be bribing people openly.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase e kaunti ya Nairobi erietariane Line